Welcome, friends. Today's topic is specifications of different ingredients of concrete. So, let's get started. Here's the question. Describe the specifications of different ingredients of concrete to prepare good quality concrete. Specifications of different ingredients of concrete. This is the picture of ingredients of concrete. The main ingredients is water, cement, and aggregate. Here is the answer. The cement concrete is a mixture of cement, sand, crushed rock, which is also known as aggregates, and water, which, when placed in the skeleton of forms and allowed to cure, becomes hard like a stone. The hardening is caused by chemical reaction between water and cement, and it continues for a long time. Specifications of different ingredients of concrete. Number 1, cement. Number 2, aggregate. And number 3, water. In cement, A point, the color of cement should be uniform. It should be typical cement color, that is gray color with light greenish shade. B point, thrust your hand into the cement bag. It must be giving you a cool feeling. C point, the cement should feel smooth when rubbed in between fingers. If it is felt rough, it indicates adulteration with sand. What is adulteration? The adulteration of cement is characterized as the addition of extra components to the cement that results in observable changes such as color, texture, strength, and other properties, as well as unobservable modifications with macro elements and metals. D point, the cement should sink, not float on the surface when it is thrown in a bucket of water. E point, a thin paste of cement with water should feel sticky between the fingers. F point, the cement should be free from any hard lumps. Such lumps are formed by the absorption of moisture from the atmosphere. Any bag of cement containing such lumps should be rejected. Here is the table. In this, the column of specifications. Second column is ordinary Portland cement requirement of IS code, Indian Standard Code 8112 1989, and this is the test results. So is the point fineness, centimeter square per gram specific surface. Here is 2250 minimum, and the test results is 3000 to 3300. Setting time in minutes is initial setting time 30 minutes. Test result is 90 to 115. Final setting time is 600 minimum. Test result is 165 to 165. Compressive strength in kilogram per centimeter square in 3 days 230 minimum. Result is 330 to 390. In 7 days 330 minimum. Result is 430 to 460. In 28 days 430 minimum, 515 to 570. Second point is aggregate. In it, these are the inert or chemical inactive materials which form the bulk of cement concrete. Aggregates are generally cheaper than cement and impart great volume, stability, and durability to concrete. To increase the density of the resulting mix, the aggregate is frequently used in two or more sizes. Aggregates are available in various sizes from micrometer to millimeter. Here's the picture of different aggregate. The aggregates to be used for cement concrete work should be hard, durable and clean. The aggregates should be completely free from lumps of clay, organic and vegetable matter, fine dust, etc. The presence of all such debris prevents adhesion of aggregates and hence reduces the strength of concrete. The aggregates must possess chemical stability, resistance to abrasion and to freezing and thawing. They should not contain deleterious material which may cause physical or chemical changes such as cracking, swelling, softening, or leaching of concrete. Third point, water. Concrete is produced by mixing binding materials and inert materials with water. Thus, water and its quality and also its quantity plays an important role in determining the quality of concrete. The strength and durability of concrete is to a large extent determined by its water to cementitious materials ratio. It is commonly accepted view that any potable water is suitable to be used in concrete making. Though slightly acidic water is harmless, highly acidic or alkaline water should be avoided as it may have adverse effect over the hardening of concrete. The chemical constituents present in water may actively participate in the chemical reactions and thus affect the setting, hardening, and strength development of concrete. Therefore, it is always better to check water quality for ensuring good quality concrete. So dear friends, this is all about specifications of different ingredients of concrete. Write your opinion in the comment section of this video. You can also check the playlist in my channel related to construction and building materials. If you enjoy this video, please like it, share, comment and also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for getting latest upcoming construction and building materials related videos. So dear friends, let's meet in another video. Thank you very much.